Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to deploy your Django application live on the internet. For this tutorial, we'll be using SplendiHost for hosting. They are an affordable, reliable, and seamless hosting solution. We'll also connect our app to an AWS RDS Postgres database and use Postman for API testing. Stick around till the end for an exclusive 25% discount promo code on your SplendiHost plan. Let's get started. Here we have a simple Django registration and login application that is running locally. Let's log in to see it in action. Great, everything works perfectly. Now it's time to take our app live on the internet. Before uploading, let's compress and pack our Django project. Remember not to include your virtual environment files. Next, let's head over to SplendiHost, where the magic happens. For simplicity, we have two tabs open, one for the dashboard, where we'll set up our Django app, and another for the file manager. First, let's upload our Django app. Extract the zip file and delete it afterwards to keep things clean. Let's copy our requirements.txt content from our local project and paste it into the server's requirements.txt file. On the dashboard, navigate to Setup Python Application and click Create Application. Here, we need to select our Python version, enter our root file path, and provide our application URL. Leave the startup and entry point fields blank, then click Create. Once done, check the file manager and we can see a new file name, passenger wsgi.py, confirming that the Python application has been set up successfully. If we check our domain URL, we see the default Python application screen. That means it's working. Now, we need to install our app dependencies. Head back to the Python setup page, add our requirements.txt file, save the changes, and click Run pip install to install all dependencies. Once completed, we need to tell SplendiHost where to find our Django app startup file. In the application startup file field, we'll update the path to point to our wsgi.py file. For my case, my startup file is located in my project folder /wsgi.py. When done, hit Save. After saving the update, check the domain URL. Oops! We hit an error. URL is not allowed to access this application. Don't worry, it's an easy fix. To fix this, head over to our Django app settings.py file and add our domain to the allowed hosts list and save. When done, we need to restart the Python application to apply the changes. Reload our domain, and there we go, our app is live. Now let's register a new account and log in. And success, our application is working. Let's also test the Django API for login. To test our Django API, we'll use Postman to send a post request to our login endpoint. Enter the API URL and input our credentials and send the request. Boom! We receive a 200 OK response, confirming a successful login, and that's it. In just a few steps, we deployed our Django app live on the internet. As promised, use my promo code ECHOHOST25 at checkout on SplendiHost to get 25% off your hosting plan and enjoy seamless, reliable, and affordable hosting today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.